So again, an update on cat. As it broke below the low of the day, I added the second position. I've got 3 bars in hand. Attention on deck. Attention on deck. Attention on deck. So I added the second position when it broke below the low of the day at this red line. Now I've got 1, 2, 3. I'm going to move this to just the side of fair value, or just the side of the entry here. So I'm using the bottom skin of the dragon just to hold. So I've taken out all of my risk. Carry on.
One minute.
Yes, I'm going to go like right there. And I'm getting ready to chase myself right out. Out. Okay, so Jack?
With no scratch?
The second one is a scratch.
Yeah.
All right, Jack, ready? All right, so now aggressively move the stop up to get my risk out, and just in time to scratch the second position. So I'm all out of everything at 104.58. And so one of the consequences of putting the second position on with momentum well before 2R in hand is I can't tolerate, personally, much of an adverse move. It's either going to work right away and then come down to here, or it's not. But I've already got 2 legs in, and it's starting to stall at a place where it should stall, and I was late getting in, so it was, if you're going to go, you got to go right now, and it lasted about 2 minutes and out. So give it a try. Didn't work. Cost $5 a round trip. So we're all out at 104.61. 104.61, which is 43 cents on the 50. That's 0.8. And this one was a scratch. So this first one getting short here and covering there is an average win. 0.8-ish. What are you gonna do? Good.